Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can heal in Icarus. Now currently right now, I am taking some damage because I am currently way too cold. Now to heal yourself first, check over to your tech tree and over on the tier 1, there should be a basic bandage like this one right here. Once you do unlock this, you can then make the cooling bandage, the heat bandage, and these 3 other ones right here. Now, the basic bandage is pretty much all you really need when you're just starting off. Now you can make it through the crafting, and right over here, it should only cost 40 pieces of fiber. If you're wondering where to get fiber, well, you just have to walk around and you should be able to find some bushes that you can collect. For example, like this one right here. It should be able to give you some fiber to work with. Now, let's just make one right now. And then make sure to put it in your hotbar. Alright, now to heal yourself, as you can see on the bottom right, there's going to be some inputs that you can do for either consume or treat animal or prospector. For the right click, basically it lets you heal your ally, but for left click, it lets you heal yourself. Now just hold it down, and you should be able to heal yourself that way. That's pretty much about it on how to heal in Icarus.